This is a follow-up video. This is the next video on the previous lesson on changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Now, we will be doing the reverse. This time, what we will be changing is mixed number to improper fraction. So how do we do that? If in the first video, what we did is to divide the numerator and the denominator. So the operation that we did or we use is division. Now, what we will be using as an operation are multiplication and addition. So let's begin. Supposing we have 4 and 1/2, and we will be changing this to an improper fraction. Again, this is a mixed number. 4 and 1/2 is a mixed number because there is a whole number and a fraction. So how do we change it? So this is how we will do it. I'll change to the red pen so that you can see the solution. First thing that you need to do is to multiply the denominator and the whole number. So you multiply them. So that is 2 times 4. And the answer is 8. Whatever the answer or the product here is, you will add it. I'll change it to blue. You will add the answer to the numerator. Okay, so I will be adding 8, or I'll be adding 1 to 8. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Now this one, this 9 will be our numerator for the improper fraction. So I will put there 9 over, what is our denominator? The denominator is 2. Whatever the denominator of the fraction in the mixed number, that will still be the same denominator that we will be using. Therefore, 4 and 1/2 is equal to 9 over 2 in improper fraction. Okay, I hope you got that. So let's have another example. Let's try 3 and 4 over 5. So this is a mixed number. We will change it to improper fraction. Again, the first step is to multiply the denominator and the whole number. We multiply them. So we will have 5 times 3, which is equal to 15. And then, whatever the answer is, we will add the numerator. So plus 4, which is equal to 19. 19 will become the numerator of the improper fraction. Therefore, we will put there 19 over, what is the denominator here? It's 5. So we will put here 5. Hence, 3 and 4 over 5 is equal to 19 over 5 in improper fraction form. Let's have another example. Let's have 10 and 4 over 6. We will express that in improper fraction. Again, the first step is to multiply the denominator and the whole number. We multiply them. So 6 times 10, and that is equal to 60. And then the answer, we will add to the numerator. So 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. And 64 will now be the numerator of our improper fraction. So 64 over, what is the denominator here? It is 6. Therefore, we will put here 6. So 10 and 4 over 6 is equal to 64 over 6. I hope you were able to get that solution or that technique on how to express mixed numbers into improper fraction. It's now your time to practice how to express mixed numbers into improper fraction. So let us practice. Express two improper fraction. Number 1, 3 and 5 over 9. Number 2, 1 and 2 over 5. And number 3, let's have 6 and 5 over 8. So at this point, press the pause button so that you can start working on your own. Once you're done, press the play button again so that you can check if your answers are correct. Now, if you want to go back at the beginning of the video, you may do so that you can start and review again how to express mixed numbers to improper fractions. But for now, please press the pause button. Okay, so let us check if your answers are correct. I will be doing the solution. So first thing is 2 for number 1, 3 and 5 over 9. So we multiply 9 and 3. That is equal to 27. And then we will add the answer to the numerator plus 5. And that will give us 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1, that's 32. And then that will be our numerator. The improper fraction 32, the denominator is 9. So this is our answer. Let's go to number 2. Multiply the denominator and the whole number. So we will have 5 times 1, which is equal to 5. And then whatever is the answer, we add to the numerator. So plus 2, which is 7. And that will be our new numerator, 7. And the denominator will still be 5. Okay. Next, last number. I hope you're getting the answers correctly. So let's multiply 8 and 6. That's the denominator and the whole number. So 8 times 6, it will give us 48. And then the answer, we will add to the numerator. So plus 5. 48 plus 5 is 53. So 53 will be the new numerator of the improper fraction. Then the denominator will still be. So I hope that you were able to get all of the questions correctly. And if in case you're still confused on how to do it, go back to the beginning of this video. If you want to ask for more activities on this, you may email me or you may just answer the activities in